Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those that are new, my name is Delina. Today we're doing a little different. We're going into a room that y'all have never seen in my house. It is my son's room. My son's room is a hot mess. Okay, chaos, no really good storage. Your typical guy's bedroom. But I was sent this beautiful arched cabinet from LiVNiX. Thank you so much, LiVNiX, for gifting me this cabinet so that I can bring a little style to my son's room. It is a beautiful piece of furniture. It's sent to me in this box that FedEx had to deliver. If you're like me, FedEx is notorious for sending me and busting up the packages. They packaged this thing so well that I was so impressed. The box came a little rough and I was kind of worried. And but when I took it apart, it was so insulated with styrofoam, wrapped, beautifully done. In fact, I'm even going to include a little bit of that footage here to show you what it comes like when I unboxed it. Okay, so I'm going to show you that little bit of footage, and then we're going to move into my son's room, and I'm going to show you exactly what this beautiful cabinet did to his room. And because LiVNiX was nice enough to gift this, they also gave me a discount code for y'all if you decide to buy it. It is ATL-10, and when you go to their website, you hit that in their discount code and they'll give you 10% off your purchase. So I will include all the information down in my description box if you're interested. And let's get started. This is all the packing material that they put in their box to protect their product. Okay, y'all, this is a room that I never show. This is my son's room. Little chaotic. I have permission to film. He was okay with it. We are going to turn this clutter into something more stylish and definitely better looking. Okay, in the place of all that clutter and mess in that corner, I would like to take the time to thank LiVNiX for this collaboration. They sent me the WIXIO Arched Cabinet. And that is what's going in this room. It's going to elevate the style in this room. Cat approved. Angus loves it. It's a lovely arched cabinet, like I said. It's 70 by 30.7 wide and 15.7 inches deep, which makes it a very versatile piece to have in your home. It fits almost anywhere. You'll see later in the video, I actually show you where it fits at the end of the hallway. But I thought this was a perfect solution for his room due to all his stuff. He had built his bed and painted his nightstand the white with the gray. And I just thought this was the perfect piece for in this space. Okay, y'all. All I did was move all his books and his yearbooks and stuff and his weird memorabilia and decorations into the WIXIO Arched Cabinet. I'll tell you, I am so impressed with this cabinet. It's, as you can see, it has a glass front, doors, on a pedestal. The finish is not like a pure white, it's almost got like a wood grain to it. It's got this beautiful arch. Don't mind his decorations. And it's got plenty of storage for all his books. He's got his games down in the bottom there that I don't have to look at. And then yet he can display his yearbooks and his diploma there through the cabinet. And I made a huge difference in this room, from looking very cluttered to very clean and very stylish. Thank you again, LiVNiX. So now that you've seen what it can do in my son's room, you're probably thinking to yourself, how hard was it to put together? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the assembly in this next clip. And then after the assembly, I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the end of my hallway, just to give you an idea of how versatile this piece of furniture is. So without further ado, let's move on to the assembly. These are the legs. They come with little posts. Everything is marked very, very well. The instructions are very clear. It has an up, a down, tells you exactly what you're supposed to be doing. As long as you follow the instructions, I don't think you'd have a problem. I'm like that, and it's not very hard at all. And the arch, honestly, I put that together. It took me maybe half an hour to put together. Quality material, you're not gonna have any issues with parts missing or, oh, it's split, as long as you don't try to over tighten it. Okay, I have it mostly assembled. The doors they slide into their hinges. The hinges are already on the pieces that they tell you to assemble. I attached the base that you are a adjustable shelf with a couple little 4 brackets that you can move in 3 different positions. I still have to put the hardware on. Last piece that I have to put on is the arch top. There we go. Anti-tipping device. And I strongly suggest that if you have children or pets who climb your furniture. As you can see, I've moved it to the end of my hallway. It is small enough that it fits in most spaces, but still has a huge impact in looks and style. It comes with 3 permanent shelves, and then it has the doors at the bottom with glass, and it has an adjustable shelf in the bottom. It put a mantle clock on the top, which fits beautifully within the arch design. I have a couple of pictures here in the back, a coffee table book, a vase, a lovely little LED rechargeable light, and a dough bowl with some antique books here in the bottom permanent shelf. I'll flip the camera around and give you a better look. So as you can see, it's a beautiful cabinet that can go anywhere in your home. You could use it in your pantry, for your kitchen, in your bathroom, for extra storage. Thank you again, LiVNiX, for sending me WIXIO Arched Cabinet. And I will have all the information in the description box that you need to purchase this beautiful cabinet. And don't forget to use that discount code. Again, they'll be down in the description box. Thank you again, and I will see you all in the next video.